this is almost free money in the E-mini S&P 500 index. Let me explain and let me show you. Hi, my name is Tomas, also known as the Mr. Breakout. I'm a breakout trading specialist and an internationally recognized trading author. I've traveled the world trading breakout strategies, and on this channel I will teach you my own way of finding the right trading opportunities and making real money with breakout trading. Hello, breakout trading fans and specialists and masters. Hope you had a great week and hope you catch some nice moves in the markets lately and made some good money. And today I'm going to show you really great opportunity in the E-mini S&P 500, a breakout trading opportunity. But first of all, the way I discovered this opportunity I'm going to share with you is because of the video which I recorded the last week. So please, first of all, watch the video from the last week where I was talking about E-mini S&P 500 in general and asking the question, is this still a good market? Because everybody is talking about E-mini Nasdaq, E-mini Nasdaq, E-mini Nasdaq nowadays, but is E-mini S&P still a good market? And that's what I covered in the previous episode. Now, let me show you something really exciting. So, in the previous episode, what I also covered was this volatility analysis, and you can see in the previous episode. And in this volatility analysis, I basically was curious if we can get some volatility, some really high volatility bars on hourly data, hourly E-mini S&P data, more than 3%. And actually, what happened is that you see what we saw last week. We saw that the first bar, 9 to 8 a.m., is actually producing high volatility. The first bar or two, like first bar or two after the opening, first bar or two after the opening, first bar or after or two, so after the opening Friday as well. So every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, when the market opens, we have a strong volatility, something we know already, but we can have extremely strong volatility with some incredible movement, which we discovered by setting very high threshold of 3%. Now, what's really exciting, after I recorded the video, I actually got back and I realized that these movements seem to be on the short side. Have a look. Green bar means there's a lot of opportunity, like big movements on the short side the first hour on Monday, not on Tuesday. On Tuesday it's quite mixed. On Wednesday again it's a little bit mixed, but with strong short bias as well. Thursday is definitely short, and Friday seems to be a little bit of both short and long, but definitely it's not easy. Just let me explain. It's not easy to find short breakout strategies in indexes, but this really captured my attention. Then, after the recording, I was thinking like, there was something that I really liked about this chart. So I got back to it and I just isolated short moves, okay? Only short moves. And the short moves are actually showing really strong potential big over 3% movements at the beginning of day every day. So on Monday, there can be a very strong short movement. On Tuesday, it can be mixed. On Wednesday, we can have at the beginning very strong short movement, and on Thursday and Friday as well. Now, this is not telling us there will be short movement. It's not about the direction. It's more about volatile movements, and we can see that we can have some super volatile movements, more than 3% per hour on nearly every single trading day in E-mini S&P on the opening. And to me, this is bang money, guys, like this Donald Duck, you see the dollar signs. This is money. This is money. If you know what to do with this, it's money. It's just about finding and spotting these opportunities and transferring them, translating them into money. And I'm going to show you right now how to do this. By the way, I'm delivering episodes like this one every single week, so don't forget to subscribe, because you will learn a lot from me on this channel. Okay, let's go back. So we now know that we can actually expect some occasional, not often, but occasional huge down movements on the short side the first hour or 2 hours when the market opens, 9 to 10 or 9 to 11. Fantastic. So let's now go to a different module, and let's actually go to the strategy builder, and let's now let's test it. And let's do this exact pattern. So we just want to enter during the first hour, 9 to 10. And the point of initiation, okay, you might not understand. Okay, so first of all, you need to understand how we construct breakout strategy. So breakout strategy is a combination of point of initiation, that's where we start the breakout from, the space calculation, which is multiplier by ATR sometime, which we just isolated, 9 to 10 a.m., and sometimes some filter as well. So we're playing here with the breakout trading formula. Now, if you need to, or if you want to know about the breakout trading formula, please don't forget, this is the most thorough material on the breakout trading formula ever published. With this ebook, you will become trading, well, not master, but you'll learn everything about breakout trading very quickly. It works on any market. It works for any time frames. You can really learn how to build powerful breakout strategies, or you can also download this very simple, very brief version for free on the link below. Not as thorough as the book, but with a lot of information as well. So let me now get back to this. Okay, so we're interested in 9 to 10 on the short side, okay? Now, as a point of initiation, let's keep it super simple. Point of initiation will be yesterday's close, 4 p.m. Simple. This is almost boring, cliche point of initiation, but I use it quite often and it works quite well. And now let's just start with space. Let's just start with space. 2 times multiplier, that's fine, and ATR 14. And I'll talk about ATR in some other episode, maybe in the next episode. So again, don't forget to subscribe. It's quite an interesting phenomena. But now the exit, so now what would be the exit? And we only want to be 1 bar in the position, okay? Only 1 bar, because we saw this phenomena just takes between 9 to 10 or 9 to 11. So 1 or 2 bars maximum the exit, but 1 bar should be enough. And now let's have a look what happens. Okay, let me switch off the market quality, and now, okay, so by itself, it's not bad already. There is, remember guys, this is a short side in a heavily long bias market. I mean, just go figure, right? Like the market goes mostly up and we just discovered short bias. That's very rare in this market. So this is a great start actually. Let's have a look last 3 years. There's some, it's not bad at all. So we might need to play with it a little bit. So how about we allow the entry 9 to 11? Okay, let's see. Few more trades, not a huge difference. Let's keep it 9 to 10. Now, we also saw that sometimes the short move lasts 2 bars. So let me change this 2 bars, okay? It's a little bit slow because when I'm recording, it takes a lot of resources. So it's slower. Oh, that's bad. Okay, so we have to keep 1 bar exit only. So it's all it is, it's 1 hour strategy, okay? So we want to stay in this strategy 1 hour. Now, what I'm thinking, we still have a lot of obviously noise here. What I'm thinking, we should probably increase the multiplier. Now, again, what we saw in the initial analysis is we're hunting big down movements over 3%, and there are not so many of them. And when this volatility expansion, the burst of volatility happens, maybe the multiplier of 2 is too close, okay? So let's expand it to 3, 2.5, 3.25. Let's try 3.5. And now a very quick shout out to our sponsor, BreakoutOS. In the new era of AI, everything you know about building trading strategies has changed completely. Old generalist principles no longer work, and that's why BreakoutOS is a complete game changer. It is a highly specialized no-code platform built for the AI revolution. It's the choice of true breakout trading professionals, from leading retail traders to hedge funds managers. This will fundamentally transform your workflow and change your trading forever. See the paradigm shift for yourself and sign up for a completely free walkthrough at www.breakoutos.com. Okay, wow, that's much better, guys. Last 3 years, smooth, perfect equity curve. Very nice. How about we trade? But we might have too few trades already. I would still go 3. Let's go 3 and let's see. Nice. Beautiful. That's it, guys. That's it. That's the free money, right? That's the free money. That's it. Have a look. We just found an edge. Simple. Super simple. Last 3 years. I don't think we even might need a filter for this one. Okay, so the average trade is 3 points. 1 full point in E-mini S&P is $50. So we should be over $100 on average, especially last 3 years. Last 3 years for this trade. I don't think we need any filter. I think this is super exciting. It's really neat. It's pretty good, and it's simple. It's simple. I love it. I love simple strategy, simple breakout strategy. So basically the point of initiation, we have yesterday's close at 4 p.m. The space is 3 times of ATR 14, okay? ATR 14, that's it. And 3 times ATR 14, and we exit 1 bar later. That's it. Wow, incredible. Okay, now the question is, are we overfitting, right? It's always a very good question. It's very important. Are we overfitting? And probably we are. But listen, it's super hard to find short opportunities in indexes. So we must not be so picky. We need to improvise a little bit, open our minds, but we still need to check how much this is actually overfit. And if this is overfit, all we need to do, we need to introduce regular reoptimization, okay? So that's why we go to breakout space calibration. We keep the same setting, let me check, and we just calibrate for different space. Let's test it for space 1 to 5, multiplier 1 to 5, 0.5. That's the default setting. This might take few seconds because it's few iterations. This is, guys, so exciting. That's why I love recording these videos, to show you exciting stuff like that. Okay, it's a little bit slower. Again, when I'm recording, the whole laptop gets a little bit slower. Otherwise, it flies. And what do we see here? So this is the Breakout Singularity Confidence Index. And this index tells us whether it's rather overfit or where it's a strong singular space calculation. And this is poor. So even this analysis shows us that 3 produces best net profit, best win rate, best net profit drawdown ratio, and still keeps a reasonable amount of trades, 247, not bad for E-mini S&P on short side, guys, short side. But actually it's this particular would be overfit. Let's see, if we take in sample 75%, still poor, okay, still very poor breakout singularity confidence index that suggests overfit. And if we check just out of sample, last 25%, oh, it's even worse. So definitely overfit. Okay, so what does it mean? Well, it actually means that for this particular edge, we would need to deploy regular re-optimization of this space. And the regular re-optimization would have to be, for me, the good range would be from 2 to 4. Let's have a look. Up below 2, we're dropping with net profit, dropping with win percentage, dropping with net profit drawdown ratio. So definitely you would need to have regular optimization between 2 and 4. That's what I would do. 4. Okay, 4, even 4.5. But 4.5, we're getting too few of trades already. Okay, so that's where I would do it. So actually for this particular strategy, you need to deploy walk forward optimization and re-optimization with the range of the space between 2 and 4, and I would go step 0.5. I think that should be pretty fine. But anyway, this is exciting. This is exciting because short edges not easy find in indexes, and all we did, guys, and let me remind you, this is so crucial. All we did, we started with this simple analysis. We do not need to make this overly complicated. We just need to have a good sense for trades, some understanding, good eye, and with a good eye, we can spot opportunities like this, then work them out and create some fantastic breakout trading strategies. So if you like this one, and if you want to see more like this one, definitely you must give a like. And of course, subscribe, because another one is coming out already next week. I told you guys I'm going to show you how to make a lot of money in breakout trading. I'm a breakout trading specialist. I understand breakout trading like no one out there, really. I spent my entire life with breakout trading. And again, don't forget, so this is the book. This is my book. You can learn about breakout trading from me, or download this one completely for free, although that's not so extensive. That's quite just a brief introduction. But there's so much money in breakout trading. You would not believe that it works on any market. It definitely is the best you can do to make yourself another breakout trading specialist. So again, become a breakout trading specialist with me, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one next week.